Yo, what's going on? Welcome everybody. This is Dan here with 2D2 Productions. If you guys are watching this video, you're looking at BOYA's latest. This is the BOYA Mini 2. Now, compared to the BOYA Mini 1, this has huge upgrades. So one, you're going to get the latest true AI control with noise cancellation up to 40 decibels. But you're also keeping the small compact design. So the BOYA team, they made an absolute phenomenal execution when keeping budget as being the cost effective for all travelers, bloggers, and so on, to be able to throw one of these in your pocket, your bag, your luggage, your car, whatever the case is, however you guys happen to travel and use microphones. So each one of these mics, when coming in at 5 grams, is going to give you 6 hours of usage per microphone. And you're going to have a total of 30 hours of runtime between the mics and the charging case itself. Now, the charging case, as I think I might have mentioned, this is the size of an AirPod, to kind of give you the idea of how compact it actually is. So for me, that is huge value in itself, because I'll tell you what, the way that they've put this on the market right now for the price point, there isn't a whole lot out there that even comes close to the features that you can get out of this. Especially the fact that BOYA, you can control their app with these microphones. But it's not just designed to be microphone controlled with the app. This is simple, easy plug and play. You get 2 style adapters. So one, right out of the box, you get the lightning audio plug itself. So for those of you older iOSs, you get this adapter as well as the Type-C. Now, this is compatible for both Android and iOS. So if you're looking for the best universal all-around controlled microphone, right here is the best budget, performance, hands down solution on the market. I cannot stress that enough. Now, I don't know if you saw, but we've got matte black and we have Luna silver. So just so you can kind of get the full authenticity of how well the AI noise cancellation works. So right now I have this feature turned on with the simple, easy press of a button, because like I said, it's plug and play. I can press this and it's going to turn that noise cancellation off. So I don't know if you can hear some of the music here in the background. Let me just lean back for a second. So, and I'm also turning around in the chair. You probably hear a little bit of ambient sound in the background as well. These microphones work fantastic. I've actually personally have fallen in love with these because of its compact design and its ease of use, because it really truly is a plug and play scenario. Without having to make any adjustments or modifications, just a press of a button and you're on the go. Now that button that I showed you right here on my microphone, it is also on the plug adapter itself. So if we look at that, press the little button as it's plugged into your Android or iOS, and you can toggle between the noise cancellation at 15 decibels, which is light, or you can go full capacity at 40. So if you are looking for an awesome microphone, I highly, 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 highly encourage, check them out, because you are not going to find anything better than what they have just launched on the market. This is actually what I would call the mic drop to the competition, because their engineering team, they did a fantastic job of keeping budget in mind, performance, and all the features to make this thing incredibly competitive. In fact, it might actually be a little bit too cheap for where they have it at. But again, I'm in love with it and I recommend and encourage it. And in addition to that, you gotta check out their website, because they have all kinds of products. They're fantastic. I've used a whole line of their product and I couldn't be happier. So give these guys a try, check them out. I guarantee you're gonna love it.